Good morning, Dasha. Welcome back. It's my first time to jump onto this one. Hey, Layden. Welcome back. Hey, Catherine. Hey, Pietra. Hey, Evelyn. Hey, Caitlin, Jocelyn, Aiden. Oh, popcorn cup. So fun. Are you making popcorn? You made popcorn? Is there popcorn in the buckets right now? Oh, cool. Can you share some through the computer? You wish, oh yeah. Uh, you enjoy it though, okay? Okay, hey Joshua, hey Nicole, hey Natalie, hey Evelyn, Jocelyn, Caitlin, Aiden, Pietra, Catherine, Dasha, and Layden. So let's get our math books out. Layden, you're muted on your end. There we go. What's your question? Yep, I can hear you now. Nice. So let's open up our math books and let's see what we're learning today. What fun stuff are we learning? I am still here. Do you see me on the big screen? Okay, so you need a big screen. I have you all on little screen so I can see all of you at the same time right now. So, today's a nice one. We have an easy page today. Short page, easy page, and all review. Natalie. You can, but I don't think we're going to wind up crossing things out right now. We have an actually very easy page today. Yep, that's from yesterday's fine tip. Okay, so let's look at page number 255 and 256. So open our math books to 255 and 256. Oh, that marker's not going to work. Four, five, six, seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to move this as close as I can get it to the screen. Can we see that? Okay. So we're going to review how to plot points on the graph. Remember to first count across, then up. So look at my first letter A. Letter A says 3, 1. So I'm going to count across 3. 1. Oh, Dasha brought her little bunny friend with her. My little bunny friend, I think I knocked off. So 1, 2, 3 across, and then 1 up. So 3 across, go to the 1, and I'm going to put a circle or a dot. Aiden brought his bunny friend too. My bunny friend went missing. Oh, I'll find my missing bunny friend. My next one says 3, 4. So I'm going to go across 3 and up 4. Nicole, look, she has a box with her. A box friend. Layden. Maybe it did. Okay, so my next one after 3, 4 says 5, 6. So we're going to go across 5 and go up 6. So I find my 6th one. So right at the top. Okay, letter D, number 7, 4. So I'm going to go across 7 and up 4. And then I have 7, 1. So I'm going to go across 7 and up 1. Okay, so the first one, go across 3, up 1. The second one, go across 3, up 4. The third one, I'm going to go across 5, up 6. Then I'm going to go across 7, up 4. And across 7, up 1. So now it's time to play Connect the Dots. Caitlin. What picture's in the way? Okay, if Jocelyn has, you got it? Okay, if Jocelyn or Aiden has it, then copy it off them later, okay? So, I'm then going to connect the dots. So I'm going to go from this circle up to that one, so straight up. Then I'm going to go diagonally across to the one in the middle. Diagonally down to the one on the side. Straight down to the one on the bottom. And then across. That's it. Hey, it does kind of look like a house, doesn't it? Go look at my question on the bot number 3. What is the picture in the graph? A house. So when I connect the lines, it made a picture. So remember the number on the outside, find 3, go up to 1, put a dot. Find 3, go up to 4, put a dot. Find 5, go up to 6 and put a dot. Find 7, go up to 4 and put a dot. Find 7, go up to 1 and put a dot, and then connect all of my dots. Got that? Caitlin, we getting that? Okay. Layden. Number 2, it says draw a line from point A to point B, draw a line from point B to point C. That's what we did. Okay? Natalie. Oh, cool. I'm glad you are enjoying it. So is Dasha using the pencil? Dasha, what's your question? Yep, that's it. We have an easy day in math today, don't we? Yeah, it's fun to have an easy day every so often. So let's look at number 4 on the back. We just did number 1. So did anyone not finish number 1? So I'm seeing no hands, which means you should be finished number 1. We already did number 2 when we connected all the lines. And number 3 should be house. So if we're all done that, let's go to number 4 and let me erase my screen from that. I think my bunny hopped off and took my eraser. Oh, here you go. Found my eraser. Okay, so number 4, it says draw a cube. You may use your ruler. So inside the box where it says workplace, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a square. So draw one square. The best you can. You don't have to use a ruler. Just use it the best you can to make a square. Oh, hi, monkey. Natalie brought her monkey along. Donald. Page number 257. Yep. Natalie. Oh, that's how when your karate instructor gave to you? It's cute. Well, now that your foot's healed, are you going to take the broken foot off the monkey? Or are you going to leave it broken? I would leave it broken. It's a nice reminder. Okay, so did everyone draw a square? Okay, so then you're going to draw another square. But let me use a different color so that you can see it. I am not going to draw the other square directly on top. I'm going to go about to the middle of the original square, and I'm going to draw another square. And your square should semi-look like this. If it doesn't come out perfect, it is okay. I can't even guarantee mine's going to come out perfect. But I'm going to try my best. Dashin. You're not going to feed your bunny carrots? No, they're all yours. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is take my pencil and from the corner of the one square to the top corner of the other one, I'm going to draw a line. Joshua. Oh, cool. So this should be a little bit easier for you, right? Okay, so then I'm going to take the corner of this square up and draw it to the corner of this square. So the top square to the top square on this side. So then I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm going to go from this corner to that corner. So from the top corner to this top corner, from the top corner to this top corner, from the bottom corner to this one, and this one I'm going to go from this corner to that corner. And you drew a cube. So on my cube, I have a couple of different things that are named different things. So if you see the cube, this part right here, what looks like a square in the front sticking out, that is called at the face of the cube. So there's a face here, there's a face here, there's a face behind it, underneath, and actually to both sides of it. Okay? So when it says to color the faces yellow, what you're going to do is just take your pencil and color in the very first one of them. Use your pen. You don't have to worry about yellow unless you have a yellow. If you have a yellow and want to use it, that's fine. So this is what the face of the cube would be. So it's the side of the cube that you see that looks like it's right there. And then one on the side is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. I think like 6 faces to it. There's 4, and then there's 1 on the top and the bottom. And then it says, trace the edges blue, which you don't have to worry about doing the trace the edges. Draw a purple dot at each vertex. Vertexes is where the corners meet. So with your pencil, just draw a dot where all the corners meet that you see. You're not going to see this one because it's colored in. Okay? So all these dots where the edges meet are called vertexes. Okay? So we have a cube. The part that's flat that we see are called faces, and then where all my edges meet are called vertexes. Okay, and then we're going to look at letter F. We're going to answer these three, and then we're actually going to be done math all together. Sound good? So, let's look at letter F. A cube has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 underneath. So my answer would be 6 faces. It has how many vertexes? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we still kind of got to count the one that's back here that we don't see. So it has 8 vertexes. 8 spots where all my lines meet. And then it has how many edges? So here goes 1 edge. So the lines are edges. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edges, 4 edges, 5 edges, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. Later. Nope, my answer. Yeah, right here. I wish I had an actual cube with me. What? Hello. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I already counted this one. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, there's 12. So somehow we already counted some of them. And it's a little hard to figure. So there is 12. Because some of them are already counted in another edge. Okay? Laden. Twice. Yep, no problem. Donald? We're doing page 255, 256. I gave the answers to 255 a little bit ago, and 256 are the ones I gave now. Natalie? Yep, if you want to draw a cube by yourself, have some fun with it. Nicole? Yep, when we drew the second square, that was B, and then when we connect the lines, that was C. They were just telling you how to do it. Jocelyn? Nope, if you know how to draw it, as long as you drew a cube, that's perfectly fine. Caitlin? $2.55? Number 2 we already did when we connected the lines. Okay? Hold on. Yeah, we already did number 2 when we connect the lines. Yes, Aiden? Okay, well, April Fools, I was going to say, if you just scribbled all over the place and you had to find a spot somewhere on the paper to still draw the cube. Catherine. You have a half-hour break, and then you have third grade language. Okay? Yep, so this half-hour break is good time to finish up any seat work that's not finished, or if you're finishing up your seat work, take a break. Sasha, you have a question or no? No good? Okay, Natalie's question. Cool, nice. So I'm going to sign out, unless I see questions. But if you're done and you have no questions, you can sign out of the meeting, and I will see third grade in about a half hour, okay? Joshua. Yep. Okay. I don't know. Or the bandana. So probably maybe the same spot that you got it. Oh. I know in summer our church was doing a VBS that had like a Western theme, and they were giving out bandanas. So maybe he got it from his church or our church, or maybe his parents bought it from in order to dress it like a Western theme for our VBS. So both of you now have it on a match. Very cool. Evelyn. Spelling list 28. Okay? Any other questions before I sign off on that? Okay. Any other questions? I will see third grade in about a half hour, okay? Bye.